Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Excel to default settings. Resetting Microsoft Excel to its default settings can resolve issues, remove unwanted customizations, and provide a fresh start for optimal performance. So let's start the video. First, make sure to save your work and close Excel completely. Now type regedit in Windows search bar and then click to open Registry Editor. In the Registry Editor window, click on HKey current user in the left panel and then click on software. Here click on Microsoft and then look for Office and click on it. For Office 2021, 2019 and 365, click on 16.0. Now right click on Excel folder and from the sub-menu click on Delete. Finally close the Registry Editor and open Excel again. Your Excel should now be reset to its default settings. Thanks for watching.